welcome to my channel Vets Corner. This is Dr. Divya. I strongly believe in the best doctor in the world is the veterinarian. They can't ask their patients what is the matter. They have got to just know. Being that great, a veterinary graduate should know what are the career opportunities after graduation. So today in this video, I am going to discuss about some career options after veterinary graduation. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. You might be thinking, what are the career opportunities after a veterinary graduation? That is, what's next? There are a lot of career opportunities for a veterinary graduate after graduation. Some of them are like, first career option is animal husbandry departments of state governments. These state governments will recruit a veterinary graduate as a veterinary officer, a veterinary assistant surgeon. This process involves either recruiting directly through DSC, that is Direct Selection Committee, or through state PSC, that is State Public Service Commission. They also recruit veterinary officers in animal disease diagnostic laboratories and biological production units like semen banks. Coming to the second option, that is Pradeshi Cooperative Dairy Federations. These cooperative dairy federations include Amul, Vijaya Dairy, Mulkanur Dairy, etc. Coming to the third option, that is entrepreneurship. This is establishment of own veterinary clinics, or dairy farms, or poultry farms, or dog kennels, or breeding units. This is the best option according to me. Why? Because a veterinary graduate will have a full-fledged knowledge about all these, and he may be very successful to get profits out of it. Coming to the fourth option, that is pharmaceutical companies. A large number of Indian and multinational pharmaceutical companies recruit veterinarians for the production, quality control, and marketing of drugs and vaccines. Coming to the fifth option, that is Remote Veterinary Corps, RVC. Recruitment is done through Service Selection Board. The job requires breeding, feeding, management, and disease control and treatment of animals maintained by Army, managing breeding centers, remount depots, slaughterhouses, and military dairy farms, etc. Coming to the sixth option, that is paramilitary forces. This is recruited by Indo-Tibetan Border Police, that is ITBP, Border Security Forces, that is BSF, and other paramilitary forces to manage dog and equine breeding centers, and also they provide animal health cover and surveillance. Coming to the seventh option, that is bank and insurance companies. Many nationalized banks and insurance companies also recruit veterinarians to supervise and monitor and sanctioning or rewarding of funds for the purchase of milk animals under various loan schemes, preparation and screening of various project proposals, etc. These banks recruit veterinarians as agriculture field officers. Coming to the eighth option, that is private poultry production and dairy farms. Many private poultry and dairy farms recruit veterinarians to look after the management and health of the animals. Many hatcheries will also recruit veterinary graduates to manage their hatcheries. Coming to the ninth option, that is stud farms or race courses. Stud farms or race courses also recruit veterinarians to look after the breeding, feeding, and management of equines. Coming to the 10th option, that is diagnostic laboratories. Some of the reputed organizations, particularly the hatcheries and poultry farm owners, have established the disease investigation facilities with an aim to provide quick diagnostic facilities to the poultry farmers. Coming to the 11th option, that is zoo and national parks. These zoo and national parks also recruit veterinary graduates as veterinary officers. Most of these zoo and national parks will take the assistance of nearby animal husbandry department to look after the animals, but according to the need, some of the zoo and national parks will recruit veterinary graduates as veterinary officers to look after the health and health condition of the zoo animals and wild animals. Coming to the 12th option, that is slaughterhouses. Slaughterhouses will recruit veterinarians to look after slaughtering, their management, and for meat inspection works. Coming to the 13th option, that is teaching and research organizations. These teaching and research organizations will recruit veterinarians mostly with MBSc or PhD degree. They are engaged in academic and research institutes of different state universities or colleges or UPSC, ICA, etc. Coming to the 14th option, that is research and development wings. Most of the pharmaceuticals and other organizations have research and development wings. These will carry out or develop clinical trials. They will mostly prefer PG or PhD degree holders. Coming to the 15th option, that is animal welfare charities. These charities will recruit veterinarians to look after the health of the animals, like veterinary doctor in NGOs or animal welfare charities like Blue Cross, PETA, etc. Coming to the 16th options, you may work as ecologist, environmental consultant, higher educational lecturer, national conservation officer, research scientist, medical, research scientist, life science, science writer, zoologist. But in addition to your veterinary degree, you need to complete a minimum period of extramural studies to do these jobs. There are opportunities in government, for example, Department of Environment, Food and Rural Affairs also recruit veterinarians. Animal and plant health agencies will also recruit veterinarians. Thank you. Thank you all for your support. Hope this video is useful to you all. For more vet related information, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to click bell icon to get notification. Thank you all. See you in next video.